Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro is having no internet issue on your device and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about you have to do a restart on your device, and that is what you have to do. I always used to say in every video, sometimes if you're having an issue with the Android, even in the iPhone, sometimes a restart can fix a lot of trouble. So the first one, start with a simple restart. So once after the restart is done, if you're still having the issue, you can try moving to the next one. That is all about try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi, or you can try reconnecting to the whatever it is, which one you are having the no internet issue. For example, you are using the Wi-Fi, but you're not having the Wi-Fi. You turn on the Wi-Fi, but you're not having the Wi-Fi. So right now, as you can see, I'm getting connected over here. So I'm having the Wi-Fi. But sometimes this not be the scenario. You'll be connected to the Wi-Fi, but you'll not be having the internet connection. So if that is the case, just tap over here in the gear icon. There is an option called forget. Just tap on the forget option. Just now connect it back the Wi-Fi, and that will be working fine. So it did work for many users. You can try this out. Last and the least step is all about you have to reset the network device. Network on a device. So just go over here and tap on the settings. Keep scrolling down and tap on the system over here. Keep scrolling down once again and tap on the reset option. Now from here, go for erase all data. So the erase all data is what you have to do, and the erase all data is what you have to do. And once the erase all data has been successfully done, it will be like a fresh start, and you might be need to connect to the Wi-Fi once again. And also you can try erasing the resetting the mobile network settings as well. You can try first this one as well as this one. So the mobile network will be like a reset for them, so you have to connect back the Wi-Fi once again. But even though it worth a lot, because the resetting the mobile network did work out when it comes to no internet connection issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.